Today I am walking you through my garden whilst I take you through some powerful medicinal plants that I have here. This plant that you are seeing, it is called nunum in my local dialect. Some people also call it scent leaf also, yeah. But I really call it nunum, and this is lemongrass. This is lemongrass. Hi everyone, I hope you all are wonderful. Thank you so much for the support so far, especially my returning subscribers. And if you are new here, thank you so much for passing by. And if you have not yet subscribed, kindly do so. Like my videos and let's grow together. Kindly subscribe if you have not done so. And what you are seeing here is what pawpaw leaves. This is boko boko in my local dialect. We use it in preparing soup and stew. This is snake plant. It is a snake plant. It is also good. It helps with what air pollution. So if you have these plants in your home, it is very, very necessary. And this is aloe vera. Yes, this plant, it has been here for more than 3 years, and sometimes I don't even water them all. It is very, very, very medicinal as well. We also have this. This is also one of the pawpaw. Yes, that one has grown so tall. Yes, you see, it's so powerful. Sometimes I just get some of the leaves, then I boil, then I drink. It's also very powerful. This is also a flower plant, but actually I do not know the name. So if you know the name, kindly drop it in the comment section. Yes, it is very, very beautiful. And one of these plants, yes, it is called Awombe Guwechu in my local dialect. It is also very powerful and it's a medicinal plant as well. Yes, and this is some of the bokoboko leaves that I showed you. We use this in preparing soup. It is also medicinal. If you blend and you drink, it is very, very healthy.